Good morning, it is Friday, and you guys, we're getting our first delivery for the basement renovation. I think it's the girls' bathroom vanity. Let's look. So they only do a delivery to the driveway. So Jeff and I are later gonna have to bring this into the house. And then it's gonna need to be just probably stored somewhere on the main floor right in the middle of our living room probably for a few weeks until it's ready to be installed.
Here it is. The vanity for our bathroom.
Good Monday morning. I just dropped Isabella off at school. Olivia's still sleeping. She worked late last night and Jeff's already at work. Do you guys remember I showed you last week my computer design of the basement layout? I'm not liking it. I went down and drew it out on the ground now that all the walls are down, and as I kind of walked through the space, there's some pieces of it I'm just not pleased with. So I spent almost all day yesterday, other than taking a break to do a dance with Isabella to post as a reel on Instagram.
That looked pretty good. How would that go?
We have to redo it.
Keeping it real. Number 2, take
Please don't make me
15.
those things.
I won't. It's raining. We have to do this.
Okay. So I'm just gonna clear my head this morning, get a cup of coffee, go sit down in the basement and stare at the empty walls and see what hits me. Also, we're getting rid of this bin today, which means everything in me right now wants to run through the house and grab whatever trash we have and get rid of it. I said to my husband, I feel so good when there's a trash bin on the front driveway, but seeing it go means we're making progress. So anyway, this is how Monday's going. Okay, delivery. We're getting a delivery right now. Ikea. They're dropping off. The delivery is coming in 3 separate deliveries. But we're so thankful that the items we ordered were in stock and could even be delivered. So this is great. Look at this fun product that I found at Ikea. It is like a panel that you can use in place of backsplash. So there's this side. I don't know if you can see that. This side, it looks like marble, and so one of the countertops I've ordered for part of our basement looks like this. So if I want, I can do the countertop and then have the backsplash be this thing, so it's all like that really nice look. But this was like 45 bucks. Or if I don't feel like doing that, I can flip it over and I could do this really fun one in the laundry room. So I knew I had 2 options for this when I ordered it, but now that I see it, I might want to order another one and actually do this in the laundry room and do this at the wet bar in the family room. Isn't that such a great product for such a great price? Gotta love Ikea. I don't even know what this is. It's so big. This was the only place we could store it. It's behind the couch. All of this other stuff that's been piled up for the girls' bathroom downstairs. And it sticks out this far on this side. Yeah, that'll be a problem. I wonder what this even is. It's so huge. Oh, it's a countertop. Oh, this is the countertop that goes with that little backsplash tile thingy. Oh, cute. Okay, fun stuff. Just putting a ham in the oven. It's gonna be delicious.
Rank ham. I hate ham. Stop making ham for dinner. I hate ham. And you put ham in your glass bowl soup, and I don't like that. I don't like ham. I know there's ham going in the oven. Then you need to stop making ham. I don't like ham on sandwiches. I don't like green eggs and ham.
So what you're saying is,
I hate ham and you need to stop making it.
all right, noted. No, what about pork?
I love pork.
Okay, why don't you bread the pork that's in the fridge and fry it up?
You want me to make it?
Yeah, I do. Why don't you fry up the pork that's in the fridge? Look.
Is this pre-cut?
Yep, all you gotta do is bread it and fry it. Deal?
What sides are you making?
Are you serious asking me what sides I'm making with dinner?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, probably some potatoes, some roasted vegetables, maybe a salad, I'm not sure. Does it matter? What sides would you like?
No, that's fine. I just wasn't gonna go to all the effort to make pork if I wasn't getting sides.
Wow. Right, Kim, did you hear that? I'll only help you cook if you're gonna make all the sides. Then it's not equal contribution.
Listen, what time is it?
4:19.
Okay, so I'll make some pork at like 5.
You're gonna start it at 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long is it possibly gonna take? 20 minutes?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Okay, I'm done.
Yep.
Well, hello. It is, what is it today? Thursday. I feel like I lose track of the days around here quite frequently these days. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a house update in just a little bit, but I wanted to show you what just arrived. I literally just opened these from the mail right now. Super excited. Take a look. My new business cards have arrived. My info, as well as some cards to leave for clients or for video shoots to thank people for their time. And just for fun, I picked up a couple pins because Vistaprint had them on sale. So I mean, there we go. So like, why not? So that's fun. You can carry those around and, you know, say to people, oh, here, check me out online. Maybe make some more clients. Anyway, gotta love Vistaprint, right? Super inexpensive. So that's that. We have made some significant progress in the basement. And some more progress has to be made by the weekend because we're getting ready for some subcontractors and some sub-trades to come in. So we gotta do our part. Jeff has to do his part before they can come.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm making a video for Instagram.
A video of this?
Yes.
What's this?
This is a caramelized coffee.
You made caramel iced coffee. Look at how healthy this is. We have cookies, a Krispy Kreme donut, popcorners, goldfish crackers, M&Ms, grapes.
There's grapes.
Grapes and water.
Lemon water.
All right. Wash all that goodness down with some grapes and lemon water. You're gonna have a little movie night tonight?
Yes.
So this pile over here is getting bigger. This is our bathroom vanity for the girls' bathroom downstairs with their countertop and their 2 sinks, and then some other stuff has been arriving. So we've just been stacking it up here. Got their light fixture, towel bar, you know, hooks. Yeah, see? Towel ring, hooks, toilet paper holder. So I ordered 2 of these so that each kid can have one on either side of the vanity. It's very loud. And then we ordered 2 towel rods, but only 1 arrived, so I'm gonna have to follow up with that. And then from Ikea, we ordered these. These are medicine cabinets, so the girls are gonna have extra storage behind their mirrors. So we don't have space to store all this stuff, so it's just hanging out here in the middle of our home. You know, we're making it work. So I'm going to update you guys with progress. It's so loud. I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna update you guys with where we're at on the weekends. I think he's jackhammering part of the concrete out. Okay, it's still loud in here, but maybe not quite as loud. Tomorrow we have somebody coming to take a look at the concrete ledge that I want to put in across the length of the family room. So we'll kind of get an update about how that's gonna progress. And then all the framing will be done over the weekend. So I'll give you a little update about where we're at kind of over the weekend before we head into like the trades and subcontractors coming in. It's happening, guys. Anyway, we'll see you on the weekend. Okay, let's go see what he's doing. What you doing?
Just finishing this wall here, which is where the pocket door into the girls' bathroom will be.
Pocket door into the girls' bathroom. So I'm standing in what's going to be our laundry room. And there's going to be a wall right where that black outlet is. Right there, it's gonna be a wall. And from there over is the girls' bathroom. That's gonna have a pocket door entrance from our office area. We did not put the door on the wall that's on this side because typically don't wanna have a door going into a bathroom right off of a living space. And that's gonna be like our family room with, you know, the TV and sofa and stuff. So a little bit more private to enter that way over there. How's it going, babe?
It's going great.
You feel confident? You feel good? You feel great? You feel wonderful?
Oh, yeah.
Do you need a rant cam?
Nope, not yet. Come back down in a half an hour.